couple if that wasn't in the way. But today, we're gonna be taking apart planer. We're gonna attempt to get from it this flat piece of steel. It should come off, looking at it. A lot of it should come off, so that's our goal today, is to get this apart, and we're gonna reuse some parts. Example like this, it's a good flat work surface to have. Pretty good steel. Same with these rods and all that kind of stuff. These are all still good. Clean them up, you rectify. So let's get some tools and let's start looking how to get this thing apart. All right, so we got, it was these two bolts, I'm pretty sure, holding this entire housing right here on, so we can then take this off and kind of get up under in there real good. So it was a 1/16 socket. Take it off. Now a lot of these, you'll see the hardware here too. A lot of these washers, lock washers, all that shit, it's still good. Same with the bolts. A lot of them are still good, as long as you continue to just clean them up, you know. Take this one off here. This is still tight on there. What about the horrible camera angle? I'd like to get a tripod where I can mount on metal surfaces and shit. But all right, let's get this off here. So I can do this with a, oh, there we go. It's off. Doing it one hand sucks. So our assembly here, I lost the washer, it fell. Our stand is off, and there's our assembly with our chain and all that kind of stuff. So like I said, as you see, a lot of these pieces of hardware, like especially the washers and a few of the bolts, they're still good and we can reuse those. This is the underside of the planer. This thing has not worked for years and years. So what my goal is to get everything taken apart and get this metal plate and just kind of salvage what we can off of it. See how we can do with it. And then we'll take, I don't really need it, but we'll take it. I got a big surface cleaner. We'll take it, clean the surface off. So let's go ahead and find out. That's probably, I don't know, we'll see. But let's go ahead and get this shit off here and situated. All right, so we got the little side motor here off. You can also, I'll get this gear off here too, but this is step one. I'm assuming we have to take, I've never taken one of these apart. I haven't watched any videos, so I'm kind of learning as I go here, and that's how we do it. I'm assuming what I'll have to do is, to get this side off here, is just kind of pull these gears off, and then I can be able to just pull this whole assembly off on this side. Maybe take this assembly here off as well and pull whatever's holding these two on as well here. So we'll pull these gears off, so these will at least be free. And we should be able to split this in half and get that plate. So we'll get, it's a 1/2 inch as well. So, but I'll need both my hands to actually be able to hold that. So, all right, gear number one taken off. Right there. It had a little screw. I put it over there. It went under right here. It was compressing a spring that was there for holding this, I'm pretty sure, that gear on. So yeah, now we should be able to at some point easily get this off, because I do see a washer right here. So we'll figure out how to get that shit off, but it should be easy from this point. Now this can move up and down. Probably fish this spring out. Sorry about the terrible video skills. I suck at this with one hand. So we'll get it off. That, or we have to take this little thing off right there. So we'll see. All right. So we got half a part there. We'll end up getting that off here soon. So we're off to just taking this here now, and then we'll be the plate left. We got both the gears off there, chains off, All our parts right there. So it's coming together, or it's coming apart, more or less. So finish it up. We'll show you after we're done.